Let's dive into how you can create stunning video invitations using Flixier. Whether it's for a wedding or any other type of event, Flixier can help you put together personalized video invitations which will captivate your guests. Start by visiting Flixier.com and clicking on Get Started. Once inside, you'll find various options to import your media. Upload pictures of you and your significant other, engaging video clips, or any other media that you'd like to feature in your invitation. Drag these files into your Flixier library from your device or use the URL option to incorporate videos directly from platforms like TikTok or YouTube. Once your media is uploaded, drag it down to the timeline. Here, you can trim your videos to focus only on the best moments by using the S key on your keyboard to cut the clips. This helps you keep your invitation crisp and to the point. The timeline also allows for layering, which means you can overlay videos or images on top of each other to create more complex and dynamic videos. To enhance your invitation, you can add free music from Flixier's audio library, which offers a wide selection of tracks and sound effects that complement the mood of your event. For additional visual flair, consider incorporating stock footage from Flixier's stock library. This can provide relevant B-roll, adding a professional touch to your video. After arranging your visual and audio elements, it's time to add text to your invitation. Flixier provides a variety of text presets, both static and animated, to match the style of your event. Drag your chosen text onto the timeline, adjust the duration as needed, and customize it further by changing the font, color, and size, as well as adding animations to make it stand out. Don't forget to use transitions between your clips in order to ensure a smooth flow and add a polished look to your invitation. This might be a small detail, but it will improve the overall presentation significantly. If you're interested in more editing tutorials to help you enhance your video invitations, check out the rest of our YouTube channel. We have a range of videos covering everything from how to add animated videos to creating exciting transitions and even making intros for your videos. You'll find links to these resources in the description below. Until next time, happy editing!